Yeah, sanibona. Usiphiwe Madumalo, also known as uMongameli. Yebo, as I said before, namuhla sise Sasol Recreation Center. Manje siphethe ubaba Maseko uNcamane from Bakuthi Trading. Ngicela simnike leli thuba ke athi ukwezethula as introduce. Baba Maseko sawubona.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngethuba sipha lona. Mina igama lami Innocent Maseko. I hold a PhD in agriculture from the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I'm a project manager of Bakuthi Trading. That's why I'm here, because of the opportunity that we are given by the Department of Employment and Labor. That's why we are here. Yes.
So, as you are here in Embalenhle, roughly people call it Sekunda, ne?
Yes.
Are you here to recruit, empower, or are you just here to share about Bakuthi Trading?
Okay, thank you very much. First, we are here to share about Bakuthi Trading as an awareness. Then the second one, we are here also to recruitment, because we've got a program that we are running. We need about 1,000 learners for a learnership program that we are going to run. So under Mpumalanga, we should run about 500 learners that we are expecting to recruit. So the program, we've got plant production 1, animal production 2, animal production 4. Then also we've got 2 skills program in agri-sales. So a level 4 and a level 5. So those are the programs that we are expecting to roll under Mpumalanga. So that's why we are here.
Okay. But myself, one thing I would like to know, what are your requirements for people who would like to be part of the program, and where do they go in order to apply?
Okay, thank you very much. Number one, the Department of Labor is the one that is doing recruitment. Almost 80% is done by the Department of Labor. Then us, we are responsible for about 20%. Then at our exhibition stand there, we also ask the learners to write down their names, their contact. And also the requirement for the program, for example, plant production 1 require people to have like grade 8. Then if say animal production 2, like your grade 10. Then if you are talking about from level 4 or 5 going upwards, we require matriculate to run those programs, yes. So from our stand, and also the Department of Labor is the one that is doing the recruitment. Yes.
Yeah, no, I heard you clearly, Mr. Maseko, and what I like the most is that ama qualification or ama criteria wenu almost accommodator wonke umuntu from the first level go high school, like you said, from your grade 8.
Yes.
Grade 8 or standard 8?
Yes, grade 8.
Grade 8.
Yes.
Okay, so far or today khona mhlamba could say that 1 or 2 or cabanga ukuthi you might recruit ibe part of the program, or you will leave that to labor nalaba bazoshiya ama details wabo?
Basically from our stand, the people that were registering, definitely they are interested. Yes. And you can find that our stands are different providers. Some were running construction, some were under WR and CETA. So if you register with us, we know you are interested in agriculture, then it becomes easier to make follow-up to those learners. It's difficult just to call from nowhere. But if they've registered, we have explained to them this is agriculture. Those that are interested in construction, CETA, and constructing related programs, they've gone to stands that deal to do with construction. Those that are interested to with WR, CETA, or retail operations, they've gone to those stands. So those that have registered with us are going to be the first priorities to be called.
No. Dr. Maseko from Bakuthi Trading, thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.